Hey, what's up, guys? It's a girl, Crystal, and I'm back again with another story time, guys. Another story time, it's based on how I found out that my ex-boyfriend, I was the side girl for him, guys. So I go want to hear that one. So just stay tuned, and if you're new over here, please subscribe to this channel. Yeah, cause you're gonna get the most hottest videos them over here. And guys, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, guys.
Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You make them, it's clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be.
Yeah, guys, as you can see in the intro, oh, me find out say, me the boy side girl when me good up clean me things to me and wife. Only to find out so I was the side girl, so I have to rearrange things. You understand what I say? Yeah, guys, so please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe because you're gonna get the most hottest videos them over here. And left a comment in the comment section, and also like and share the video to 5 friends. Yeah, so we are gonna get in right in the video now, guys. So I did somebody when I did live with, and we did a years many talk and whatever. So when at the time now match I keep, I never got match with him that time. The first time, I never got match with him because I did the home, I cook the Sunday and all of that. So one Monday now him come from work. So I did then now I come one girl here, and we seen did he move timid with him phone, and then something the be a text are coming now in and thing. So when him gone now, me and the girl, but my friend him that come her here, me and the girl going at the phone go see bare things, girl on phone screen and all of that. And whatever, I'm not yet the girl again because we're no more together. But me just I do want story time about it. I don't have nothing against the girl. If you see that video, yeah, I don't have nothing against you. But when me I say no, me see girl well up on phone screen and all of that. So the girl, he come back now and did that texted we and something, so I tell the girl I run him down and I tell him saying if you making see how we my text you in iPhone if you know see girlfriend, yes so so me did that now because me feel away. Me feel away. I'm not telling you, me did really feel away because him did it on my phone screen and me I wonder how he never put me up on phone screen yet, but he might put up girl on phone screen. So anyways now next Sunday go come again now. Before that, one Christmas, me and my girl one Christmas dance ever keep a year time. So you see girl when they have on him phone screen, me go at the dance, go see the girl and something, but it look like they did want to link up, but through me there at the dance and me I get between the two of them and me in a them way. So him send him friend go tell the girl something, but me just not know what, me did left gone in the bar and until when me come back now, me see girl turn up near which part we turn up. So one man I say, but me I say, oh, me not gonna do that. Me not gonna do this. You see me? Is either she or me? Cause me not gonna fight over no man or rascal. You mad? You crazy? Me not fight over no boy, no day, no how, no time, no where, no when. That will never happen. So me know, cause me see girl I get close and close and then something there. Yeah, so me know, say me I go left, say me run me down one and say me no feel left and whatever. So one Sunday now match did I keep back and something football match. So up on one school. So we didn't know one thing. Girl did it like everywhere him did the girl. Me I wonder if they text when any damn plan. Fee. You know them way they cause everywhere him go me always when me go they go see this girl. So when we did match now and something, me see girl come with him crew and thing. So me didn't know one something. So guess what the boy do? He left when a friend for go and chat me out so he can have time for the girl. So one man say no, go look if me see him can move and she me there and saying soon come back and me a find out see how me no see the girl which what the girl did turn up. You understand what me I say? So one man say no, say go look if you see him, if he's still there over the school or if he gone on the roadside or something. So one time me I walk go look for him now. No the rascal boy me see. Well, sit down with girl, sit down in front and did up on a reasoning. So me go down now and me say, yo, what go on here? So, cause me saucy bad, me saucy like a pickle pepper, like a hot red country pepper. So me go down now and me I say, yo, what go on here? So, nobody nan talk. So I just ratted big stone if you fling in a girl head. Me see him run come grab on pa me hand cause it hurt me. You see me, your woman did you must respect your woman. That's why me go bust up their head. So him now I say and a girl no do this, the girl no do that, and him and the girl no in and nothing and this and that. So me see how me no give a fuck. Me don't business if you're not in a nothing, you shouldn't sit down here so with the girl because me and you come a match and you gone. Gone whole corner with the girl like see you. I yarn him come a match, you see me? So we did an hour we catch up in a argument and sitting so me run go down. I run go down at the yard, go lock out in Ross out of the house, lock up in the house and lock him out. I was saying boss off you don't come in and me and him did it with tassel. We down in the night with a warrior and family have to come up there and be things and this and that and this and that. So till it breeze off no one thing, you know, it cool off, you know. Me and him up on the roadside again. This girl I walk past. When the girl pass, see head back of him. And when the girl walk on, he just can't take his eye off of this big head. You know, like, so, me now come to a conclusion with him. I say, look here, is either the girl or me? Because me I go bust up one on the head. So you better choose for now. Because if you not choose, big old war I go down there. Because I'm not take this for nobody. You see me? So you have to choose. So anyways, in the kind of into the avoid the girl. The girl text my name something and I avoid the girl. Me search him phone. Me see girl I put up be things for his status, be a sad things, be a break art this, break art that. But me get to understand so you I did in personal right out woman before me and him just start talk. But him come pick me up now so I don't give a F about that the party. You understand what I say? Yes, so this is the end of the story, guys. And in that fi avoid, me not ask in that fi avoid the girl. In the fi avoid him. Cause when me say avoid, I mean avoid. Him did have to avoid her, me name when me name. No play name in my ass game. So him did have to avoid a girlie. But guys, as I was saying, this is the end of the story. And guys, hope you all enjoy it. And guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. And guys, if you're new over this channel or you're watching this video, please just subscribe to that channel here. Yeah guys, and love you all. I'm out.
Checking your reflection and telling your best friend like, girl,